Good day guys and welcome to the channel. In this video very quickly and easily I will show you how to connect your Airtable with n8n. So guys, firstly on the left side I will have n8n, so go ahead and click on that plus to create a new workflow and search for Airtable. Okay, choose that. Now you can get any action and choose any action you want, for example get a record. Now guys, you of course go to your account on Airtable and in here you go to Airtable, create, and then you go to your personal access tokens. As you can see, I don't have any. Create new. So just name it, for example, test 123. And after that, you need to add a scope, which is, for example, data records read. You can add many or various if you want. Access, this is going to be, all right, we can just skip this. So just create a token. And as you can see, our token is created, so copy it. And now guys, we can just maximize this. If you want to add a new automation, pretty much just choose a credential. After that, just type in the access token. So for example, you have OAuth2 and access token. We will go with the first one and click on save. And as you can see, connection tested successfully. Everything is ready. And now you can use your Airtable with n8n. Guys, enjoy this tutorial. If this helped, press like on the video and subscribe. See you soon.